Hello guys, in the previous video you just learned about how you can use edit fields node to actually restructure and re-edit the text that's being sent forward by the HTTP request node. And it's a really helpful tool if you want to selectively choose what you want to show to the users out there. Now in this video I'll just give you some hacks and little quick tutorials to guide you more and better make you fit for this N8N app. So first of all, here you have the execution panel in which you can see all the executions that's being made by you on this particular workflow. And it's especially really important if you wanna debug or get beneath some problem or just wanna solve an error. So I really recommend you to occasionally take a look at this panel. It's really helpful. And if you also want to go back to some of the executions that you did in the past, you can actually click on that particular execution and go back to it, to the state that it was at that particular timestamp. The second most important and effective hack that you can try is the templates that's already available on N8N website. You see, when you have templates that are already made, you just have to copy them and paste on your workflow. That way you can just work on the existing templates that's being made. So you head on to the N8N website, click on the templates option, go down, and you can click on any of the given choices. In the trending AI templates, we have generate AI viral videos with dance and upload to TikTok. And these are the templates that are actually created by some real person out there. This is the person who created this template, and he seems to have a bunch of other templates as well. We seem to be getting a lot of AI agents developed these days. Unsurprisingly, it's the latest trending and futuristic technology. So yeah, let's use it for free. And this one is the option in which you can actually, if you have a cloud running on your N8N, you can choose this one. Otherwise, there is also this option of choosing a template to clipboard and using it in a JSON format. For now, let's use the cloud option because it's free, because it's convenient, and it's recommended by N8N as well. So the moment we click on the cloud option, we are directed to a page in which they ask us whether we have any of the credentials already. Let's select the OpenAI free credits that's being offered by N8N and hit the continue button. So boom, here you have a full-fledged workflow already created on your website, on your workflow, and you just had to do some clicks and it's already there. I really recommend you to go through this practice, to go through this system so that you get an idea of how you can actually use the templates on your own and import them on your canvas. So yeah, that's how you import the templates. Now there's one interesting type of trigger that you wanna definitely see. Well, by far we have seen that when we hit on the chat button, when you hit on the chat option and write something over there, we get a response. Yep, so now it's working. Thank God. So now, what I was saying was, once you get the option of having different kinds of trigger, there's no limit that how you want to experiment stuff. Likewise, we have a schedule trigger that we can use to schedule our workflow automatically without any human intervention. So let's set this as trigger interval to be in minutes, and the minutes interval to be 5. That is, it will be executed exactly in 5 minutes of intervals, and boom, you have a trigger that goes on all on its own without any intervention of chat or clicks. But you need to make sure that you have toggled this option. Now, what does this mean? Let me tell you. So, although you have scheduled the trigger to be fired exactly in 5 minutes of duration, it won't be activated unless you toggle this button of your execution workflow. So it says that it's active right now. So whichever trigger that's scheduled will be fired up if only and only if this is activated. And another significance of this toggle button is that you see there's no executions being counted over here. So it's because we have not yet activated this workflow. It was inactive. And N8N only counts the workflows that are executed in active time, not when you click, not while you hit the chat, but rather only if it's active. So here's the schedule trigger automatically. And yeah, that's it for the video. Hope these 4 hacks are useful in your venture of N8N. So see ya in the next video.